Do you want to make the smart switch from buying a water purifier to renting a water purifier but you're not sure how? Don't worry, we're here to help. First, grab your phone or your laptop and then head to our website. On our homepage, you can see a big Book Now button. Just click on it. Next, enter your name, your phone number and your delivery address. That helps us customize your experience and ensure we reach you on time. That's it. Our team will then call you to confirm and give you more details. Curious about what subscription plans we have to offer? Visit our homepage and check out our options. Solo, couple, family and unlimited. Each plan has zero upfront cost and includes free delivery, free installation and free regular filter replacement. Once you've decided a plan, click Book Now and enter your details. Don't forget to add your referral code if you have one because you don't want to miss out on the money. Now here's where it gets easy. Choose your preferred method of payment and once it's done, sit back and relax. Our team will call you to confirm the order and schedule a convenient time to deliver. We will then bring the water purifier to your home and set it up all for free.